Hi viewers, welcome to Rasam Instrument. Today I'm going to make Aravana Payasam. Aravana Payasam is made in the temple for Lord Ayyappa. I have cooked the rice. The rice is cooked well. I have taken matta rice. This will give a good taste to the payasam. Normally this is used for the payasam. Now rice is cooked well and the water is also evaporated. I will add the jaggery syrup in it. The detailed ingredients will be given in the description box. 3/4 cup rice, half kg jaggery, half cup ghee, then quarter cup cashews, quarter cup raisins, black raisins, quarter cup coconut bits, 1 teaspoon sun powder and 1 teaspoon elaichi powder, and kadi shakkar, that is the sugar cubes you get. Now after cooking the rice, we have to add the jaggery. Otherwise, after adding the jaggery, the rice will not get cooked. So when the rice is cooked nicely, then only you should add the jaggery and cook this. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee in it. Mix well. You have to add water in the jaggery and melt it and strain it to remove the impurities if any. Now we will let the rice get cooked in the jaggery. In the meantime, we will roast the coconut, kaju, kismis, adding 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. You should roast this till it is golden brown in color. This is almost done. I will remove this. I will add the raisins in it. Adding coconut is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. This is done. That also I am removing it in the cup. Now the cashew goes in. We'll switch off the gas. This is also done. Cook in low flame. When the ghee is absorbed, again you can add ghee, some more ghee in it. Don't add the ghee at a time. Little by little, you add the ghee. It has absorbed the ghee. I will add another 2 teaspoons of ghee in it. Like that, you have to complete the half cup of ghee in this. This is almost done. It will start leaving the sides of the kadai. Use a thick bottom vessel for making this, and it will get thickened as it cools down. Normally we get a black color jaggery for this. I didn't get it, so I used the normal jaggery. If you don't have that, you can use a normal jaggery and make it. But ensure that you make the payasam with the matta rice only. That tastes good. It's almost thickened now. It takes nearly 2 hours to prepare this. If you want to save the gas, first you pressure cook the rice for 5 to 6 whistles by adding 3 to 4 cups of water in it, in a vessel, not directly in the cooker. I cooked it in this vessel by adding 3 cups of water. Then I added in the kadai 2 cups of water, boiled it. Then I added the rice and cooked it further. Heat the jaggery in half cup of water, melt it, strain it, and remove the impurities. And after the rice is cooked, you have to add the jaggery. Then after adding the jaggery, bring to a boil, then reduce the flame and let it cook in the jaggery so that the proper taste will come in it. Now another 10 minutes I have to cook this so that it will get thickened. Then we will add all other ingredients in it. Now we'll add the sun powder and the elaichi powder, kadi shakkar, and the dry fruits roasted in it. Mix well. Switch off the gas. Our Aravana payasam is ready for Naivedyam to Lord Ayyappa. Actually, the color changes with that particular jaggery. The Aravana payasam is ready to serve to the Lord Ayyappa. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.